Wait there. So we're here at the National Stadium, but it ain't open. So here I am, but it ain't open. So we're gonna go into Kingston and do some bits. But yeah, I'm walking just outside of it on a normal street. It's actually open, so I'm gonna go in. There he is, Prophet Bob, amazing. There's the stadium over there. Here I am. Anyway, I'm bopping around town on my ones. You know, there ain't that many people around, but it's all good.
Oh,
cheese and pickle. All right, let's go over here. Come on.
This the right way in?
Yeah.
Is it, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Wagwan bread bins, we're here, we're in Kingston, and we've had a hot day so far.
It's been glorious.
Yeah, it has been pretty nice. So we're gonna check it out. Come with us and see what the Kingston Independence Festival Village is all about. Yeah, that's true. Sorry. Spent a fair few afternoons and days in the Pika building, don't worry about that. Still more, many more to come. Yes. Yeah. Good on it. Beautiful. I can. Nah, I can't draw like that. I can draw, but I'm not like...
Guys?
I'm filming you, filming me, filming you, filming me, filming you, filming me. Look, there's a pro. Every mickle mecca muckle. I think it just means like little by little, doesn't it?
Oh, I know what that.
What does this one say?
Wanted.
One. No.
One.
Can't getty.
Getty. No, want.
That's it, man.
Every missing.
You're a yardie now. Thanks, ladies. Bye.
Thank you, good girl.
Is there more down
I
there?
don't know.
So really it starts at 4 p.m. and it's now like what, 3:30 or something like that.
So the show will begin soon.
So we actually came this morning because we thought it was on all day, and then we realised once we got here that it didn't start till 4 o'clock. So we've been bumming around Kingston all day. Like, we're not bumming around, we've had a somewhat...
We've been looking around, making ourselves busy.
We've had a day. We were here. What are you doing?
So let's keep moving, let's keep looking around. Let's go check out.
Sun up, sandals on, Osbornes in Jamaica, sea breeze, mango down, Osbornes in Jamaica, from the hill to the sand, everybody feels the sway, hand in hand here we go, making heat in a sweet parade. Ooh, move that way, feel the rhythm lead the day. Ooh, no delay, every step say stay. Osbornes in Jamaica, Osbornes in Jamaica. Feel the joy, feel the glow, everywhere we go. Osbornes in Jamaica, Osbornes in Jamaica. Shake it laughing, let it play, whole island okay. Blue water, bright green, Osbornes in Jamaica. Big drums, big spin, Osbornes in Jamaica. Market shells and lime, sweet tunes in the air. Every beat, every face, got a little magic there.
Daddy's got wind.
Ooh, move that way, feel the rhythm lead the day.
You go and you do your butterfly thing.
Every step say
Go on.
stay.
Theo's up there, just be careful.
Osbornes in Jamaica.
That's why they got it there. Do your butterfly thing, mummy.
And you have to put one
Feel
foot
the
on.
joy, feel the glow.
Ah, there you go. There you go. Whoa, you are as well. From this angle.
Shake it laughing,
Right, mummy, do your butterfly thing.
whole island okay. Easy now, let
Yeah.
it ride.
Over that way a little bit.
On the other side. One love, one bright sound. Lift your feet off
T,
the
can you move out of the way?
That's it.
Osbornes in Jamaica.
Yeah, you are. You're.
Osbornes in Jamaica. Feel the joy, feel the glow. Everywhere we go. Osbornes in Jamaica. Osbornes in Jamaica. Shake it, laugh it, let it play. Whole island okay. Osbornes in Jamaica. Osbornes in Jamaica. Feel the joy, feel the
Yeah, I will.
everywhere we go.
Alright, as I go past, say hello. Wait, not yet.
the roller coaster?
It was like candy.
Yeah, tell Daddy.
It's like candy. It's like a candy cane.
What else did you see
Candy
on it?
coaster.
What else did you see?
I saw gummy bears.
Oh, well done, man.
Was the ride fast or was it quite slow?
It was soft.
Was it?
Okay.
Oh, wow, cool.
What colours were in the ride?
It was blue
Yeah,
and red.
yeah.
And I saw some gummy bears.
Okay.
They were tiny flowers.
All right, Hazel, how was the ride for you?
Good.
What did you see?
I saw everything.
All right.
There was a massive jelly and a big ginger house.
Ooh, that sounds cool.
Anything else?
That's it, I think.
Fair enough.
All right, respect.
See?
Cool. All right.
Hello, well we've had a lovely time. We're just on our way out. But yeah, the children have had so much fun. The music is going, food's going. It's been really, really nice.
We've had a great day. It's been an action-packed day. It's been pretty busy, to be honest. It's had its ups and its downs, wouldn't you say, Mummy?
Yeah, I suppose, but it's had a lively ending.
Yeah, but we've met some really lovely people here again, yeah? Like, really have. Like, we sat down and chatted to some really, really, really nice people.
Yeah.
Like, totally on the level, not awkward, nothing, you know what I mean? Like, you know them.
Come out the way because the car's coming.
Just well easy and calm and good vibes. And it was brilliant, so can't really say more than that. So look, we tried to give the kids a bit of an introduction to Independence Day, like celebrations of emancipation, you know what I mean?
They've had a brilliant time.
Yeah.
If you could see their faces, their cheeks are glowing and they're like dripping with sweat.
Yeah.
They've had so much fun. But yeah, it's time to head home. So again, if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell. Please hit that notification bell so you are notified when our new videos come out.
Yeah, and if you're interested in Jamaica, well, there's our friends. If you're interested in Jamaica and you want to know how to become a Jamaican citizen, like I hopefully will be one day, then watch this next video here. And we're all gonna tell, well, she probably will, to be honest, because I don't know what I'm talking about. But watch that one.
See you in the next
Like and
video.
subscribe. Bye.
Bye.